Now you want to chop your onion. You need a very sharp knife and a good size onion. First, take the top off, take the bottom off. I find it's easy to cut it in half, and then you can easily peel the outside of the onion off. And then you're going to take the onion and slice down. And you want to think about what you're using the onion for. If I'm making a big stew, I want maybe bigger pieces. If I'm making a soup, I maybe want smaller pieces. You can do a coarse chop or a fine chop. I've started it off at a coarse chop. That's a coarse chop. If you want it finer, you just go back in and cut the onion. Just like this. And there you go. You just keep chopping until you get the consistency that you'd like.